Hi, Jennifer Alessi here. We're going to be completing task number 13. We are preparing a major surgical pack. I have my drapes in front of me that I'm going to wrap with. They do have some stained blood on them, so that is something that we're going to note, but we're making sure that there's no holes in them. So we've got that as well. And again, there is stained blood has been identified on the packs. I'm going to lay them in front of me in a diamond shape. And we're doing 2 layers, so that way we have our sterile inner layer and then that layer that's going to be touching the outside world and the non-sterile. Okay, so I'm going to lay that in that diamond shape. I've got a towel that I'm going to just fold in half as my base layer to be able to put my instruments. And then I've got my instruments that I'm going to be using here. And I'm going to make sure that they're evenly sized, so I'm going to go from largest to smallest and place those here. I'm making sure that I'm not closing any of the ratchets. So there we go. We've got those going right here. Towel clamps next. Okay, we have those right there. And I'm going to actually go ahead and place that layer down first. And so they are in size order. See that here? I'm going to place my one finger in there to help me kind of position them as I lay them out on that drape, or on that towel rather. And they'll be nice and smooth for when we pack it. And then I'll lay these 2 right on top. Okay. So the instruments are there. They're all laid out. I'm going to take my surgical drape, put that right there. I have my indicator strip, and I'm going to put that in the middle of my pack. That way it indicates that the sterilization happened within the whole of the pack and got to the very center of it. So I'm going to start by taking that bottom edge, the 6 o'clock corner. I'm going to wrap it up, keep it taut, dog ear the tab so I'm going to be able to pull it later, and take the other side, fold it in the same way, keeping that tab and also keeping pressure. Okay. I'm going to twist it. Can't forget these, so pop those in there. Lay those flat in there. Okay. And make sure everything is snug and secure. Okay. And then I'm going to fold this one over, leaving that flap so that way I can pull that one out. And I'm going to do the same thing then with the bottom, that second layer. Okay. So ear tagging both of those sides, pulling it nice and taut, folding this one over, tucking it in, leaving that ear flap right there. I'm going to take masking tape just to assist in closing that on both sides. And then I'm going to take my indicator tape as well. So we've got the indicator tape right there. And then I'm going to label, this is our black major pack, wrapped on 523, and then I'm going to place my initials as well. And there we have it.